be available, we need to be flexible. And Reclaim really allows me and the team to maximize our flexibility while minimizing our management overhead. Hi, I'm Cooper Marcus, the Chief Quitter and CEO here at QuitCarbon. We exist to make home electrification, moving homes off of fossil fuels, easier, cheaper, better for everyone, for the climate, for health, for home comfort and value. I tend to work a lot, but I try to find some time with my family and friends. I've been doing calendars on computers since, they existed. Just prior to using Reclaim, I remember a lot of struggles with having to have things on multiple calendars, either for visibility or for defense. I was moving things around and communicating with people and asking if they could move things around. And none of that was actually productive. It was just the work to do the work. It was a struggle. Well, as a startup founder, lots of meetings to schedule. I've really enjoyed using Reclaim's different scheduling links when I really need to meet with somebody, or when their schedule I know is sort of tight, or when I just want to be as accommodating as possible. I like using the high priority scheduling link because it will show them the most availability and it will move things around on my calendar to accommodate the times they book. Other times, it's folks who I only sort of want to meet with, probably, I guess, if I could fit it in, and I'll send them the not high priority link. But then it puts the meetings in times when, okay, that's my availability for meeting times. It's not going to move things around. I really like being able to distinguish those two. And I get a lot of positive feedback on them as well. The people with whom I schedule seem to like using Reclaim for scheduling with me. A major differentiator with tools that are just scheduling things. The smart one-on-ones allow all of us to be a little more available and be sure that we'll meet on a regular basis without having to do the management. It's just brilliant. We're in the business of helping folks move their homes off of fossil fuels. Part of how we do that is by talking with them. To have those calls, we need to be available. And to be available, we need to be flexible. That's just been critical to our business model because those calls with our homeowner clients are so important to actually causing folks to decide to move their homes off of fossil fuels. We need the calls, which means we need the availability, which means we need the calendar flexibility, but we don't want to spend the time on it. Reclaim solves that for us in a brilliant way.